It's not going to be easy. It's going to
All right, guys. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Sorry, my bad. Good morning, guys. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Like the stream on your way, and if you'd be ever so kind, ladies and gentlemen, I'd really appreciate it. Good morning, Jorge. Good morning, MK. Good morning, Maida. Good to see you. Justin, good to see you, man. Hope all is well. Good morning, guys. Hop on in. Let me know your bias in the chat, guys. And we'll get rocking and rolling here. So, first and foremost, looking at the economic calendar, we have G20 meetings today. No red folder news. The only red folder news events this week are Thursday and Friday, just like last week. So, nothing to be concerned about there. We'll see how today shapes up, whether or not we get good, clean delivery, if we get more slow, choppy action. The reason I say that is because we had 3 back-to-back big expansion days here on the indices. So generally when you get this many expansion days in a row, I mean, you're due for you're due for a slow day at some point. So today could be that day. It might not be that day. I guess we'll find out here shortly. But ready for that possibility, I guess you could say. So looking at the daily here one more time, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark out. I already got previous day high marked. I'm going to mark out previous day low, just so we have that range marked out. Do the same on ES. Four-hour. The only PD array I saw on the 4-hour time frame was we got this imbalance here, which we're currently trading through. And we have a volume imbalance here on the 4-hour that we're tapping into. So, other than that, though, we're trading down from a 4-hour SIBI. And let's see here, 15-minute chart. Take a peek at these session highs and lows. So London high already swept. And it looks like we're trading lower. We should be opening up, I believe. Opening bell just hit. So I believe the opening range gap ended up not as big as it was about to with this drop here. But we are filling it in right now. Selling off here a little bit at pre-market, right before open. So that looks bearish, obviously. No SMT at that high. So we'll see if it's got the juice to make it down to some previous day low sell side liquidity or not. We've got these relative equal lows in here. Even prior to that, nice breakaway gap that was left from yesterday on the 5-minute. I don't know, maybe it'll just be another. We're just all year long. We're just gonna open up at market open and go straight down. Is that gonna be the mood for 2025? Oh, opening bell? Yeah, we're going straight down today. Oh man. What's up, Nick? What's up, Rien? Juan, good morning. We back. We're back. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw, I posted shortly after, probably like an hour after stream ended. I was able to make back the loss with a little bit of profit yesterday. With 2 scalps, 1 short, 1 long. Basically just ended up playing the 15-second structure. We did end up getting that move yesterday, by the way. I don't know if any of you guys caught it. The long that we tried catching yesterday around the 11 a.m. macro, the target that we were shooting for was this 15-minute fair value gap in premium of the range that essentially took out this low. And we ended up getting that delivery yesterday. I told you guys I wasn't really able to trade the PM session. I was able to peek at my charts here and there, but I was out and about. Got my ears lowered, as you can see. But we did catch that delivery, so let me know if anybody ended up trading PM session and catching the buy side move. We did end up getting it, so the analysis, you could say, played out. The timing of the 11 a.m. macro reversal was a little off. We ended up reversing. I was going long here at the end of stream yesterday. So basically on this pullback was when I was getting in long on lower time frames. And we did one more drive lower. And then we reversed at 11:30. Go figure, right? Go figure. But yeah, let me know if anybody traded in the PM yesterday and caught the longs back up. Pretty good counter trend rebalance, I would say, overall. But we were able to walk away green for the day, so I guess that's better than nothing. Better than nothing, right? I wonder how OM is doing. He blew his funded yesterday. I wonder how OM is doing. Oh, OMFX. He blew his funded. Did he actually say that in the chat? Or did I miss that somewhere? That's not good. Didn't pick my PM trade. It's up, pair. 2 days in a row. 8:30 top of market is loving you. Yeah, I just have something against trading pre-market. I don't know what it is. Probably from the past. I used to try getting fancy, doing all kinds of different shit, and then I was like, I need to simplify. Nick J, it really kind of depends, man. I guess what your intention is for the account, your risk tolerance, how many trades you're willing to lose before you blow the account. You know, so kind of up to you, but I guess for me, if I was just to answer in a general sense, you know, I'd say at least a handful. I'd like to be able to withstand a losing streak of 4, 5, 6 trades before the account's gone, like where I'd have to lose that many trades in a row, you know. So $300 to $400 maybe, but you know, some people might want to risk more, some people might want to risk less. Just kind of depends. I'd say though, the more accounts that you're like copy trading, you could make the argument that you could even be less aggressive because obviously you're copy trading more accounts. So even if you only made, you know, let's say $300-400 on a trade, well, copy traded across 3, 4, 5 accounts, you know, that adds up quite nice. Hi, I am Indian. Congratulations. I'm American. I don't really have a bias, to be honest. I'm just gonna read price and see how things are looking. I think we could potentially get chop. But I would say just from what I've seen in price so far, is it still looks bearish. Still respecting bullish PD arrays. I mean, we still got these equal highs up here from yesterday that we thought initially could have been the draw early in the morning, and then we were quickly met with displacement to the downside, so that wasn't going to work out. But you know, you got this 1 hour fair value gap. that we're trading down from. You know, we got some internal relative equal lows here. We got previous day low that hasn't been taken yet. So I would say based on what price is showing me so far, it looks bearish. You know, 4 hour, just looking at top down analysis, and you're just going off the current state of delivery. Bearish on the daily, bearish on the 4 hour, bearish now on the 1 hour. And that's indicated here by this up close candle, new high, closure back below. So that's bearish. 15-minute bearish. Like we're bearish on every time frame. Beauty of a reaction off Asia low, though, I'll say. Take this off my chart. Here's one more thing that I wanted to point out. Here's for anybody that's a perma bull. One good sign. Perma bulls, where you at? Jumped out here to the 4 hour. ES and NQ. This 4 hour low right here. Taken on ES. Not taken on NQ. So we do have bullish SMT at the lows there. So higher time frame perspective, that would be one reason to be bullish. But we've had a lot of, in the last 2-3 days, we've had a lot of bullish SMTs that have formed this entire move down, and they've just repeatedly been getting run through. So I don't know, take it with a grain of salt. So that's why I'm not carrying like a strong bias one way or the other today. I'm just going to read price to the best of my God-given abilities, boys, and try to make the right decision. So all I know is right now, Asia low sweep, and we are displacing fast back the other direction. I don't know. So let's see if this move can continue. You're still in the middle of this range though, so I still don't know if you can clearly, definitively say with a lot of conviction, oh, we're 100% going buy side or we're 100% going sell side. Do we get another view op open or not? Just for shits and gigs? Not really. Not too far off, though. Asia low. Where's our first presented fair value gap, by the way? This is it right here, ain't it? This is first presentation right here. After Asia low sweep, we do have a 5-minute change in the state. We're tapping in a first presentation. Let me check the poll here. 44% bearish. Yeah, pretty even bullish to bearish. Some people think we got chopped today. You know, yesterday the chat I think was like 60, almost 60% bullish in the morning, then we absolutely dumped, boys. If you were taking the chat as your tilt indicator, you were getting that wasn't a good day for you. Let's just put it that way. Yes, Tom, I trade the macro. Yep. So we got like 8 minutes till that starts. Alessandro, what do you think about the Asia low 5-minute CISD? Yeah, it could lead to a possible reversal. Like I said, we are bearish still on all of the higher time frames, so that's why I'm not just like gun-ho hopping in this. To me, we're all like everything still points bearish overall. Other than the SMT at that 4-hour low, that'd be probably the only thing. Woo! Come on, baby! Dying over here, boys. Fucking tempted to just YOLO a short here. Sheesh, you know? Honestly, if we can leave a BPR open here and we tap back into it, I probably am going to take it, to be honest. We'll take it down to internal relative equal lows. Won't even demand previous day low, which is 990. Shit. Unless we got SMT here. Okay, we don't. Sheesh. Yeah, guys, I'm going to take it with one. See if I can, what was my stop here? Yeah, looks good. Tapped into the BPR there. 30-point stop. First presentation absolutely got ran through. We are bearish still on the higher time frame, so we'll see. Still under the VWAP, says William. Are we? All right. If the trade fails, it's VWAP's fault. Thinking once we trade through these relative equal lows, we could probably just trail stop up the break even and let it ride. Yeah, we could get Seeking to shred at his act for sure. Very possible. I hope not. Oh, fuck. Nice. One day we don't just keep dying. Where's the trend is your friend people at? Macro starts in 2 minutes. Looking like a stop out here, most likely. Yep, inversing, reclaiming first presented fair value gap, got stopped out. I think you guys are a curse, dude. I can only win off stream the last 2 days. Fuck this. Streaming's a scam. Fuck.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Fucking hate it here.
Oh, well, pardon me, Mr. Perfect! I guess I forgot that you never ever make a mistake!
All right. Macro in 2 minutes. Stopped out there, boys. Minus 32 points. First presented fair value gap did not hold. We inversed it, formed a BPR. Tried the short there. We had traded down from a 5-minute gap, trading down from a 1-hour gap. Everything was pointing bearish. No cigar. No cigar for me. Yeah, we got NVIDIA earnings later today. That's right. I forgot to mention that. Appreciate the reminder, Debbie. We do have NVIDIA earnings later today. Where is it at? Where is it at? Come on, man. Bro. There we go. NVIDIA later, 420. Hitting a 5-minute inversion here. We're retesting this down close. This is one fucking giant ass range. Nice. Macro starting. Setup you did worked the last couple days and paid well. Oh yeah. The short you're saying I just took? Yeah, the trend is your friend until the end, right? I mean, now everything, like, you're just looking at 5-minute price, 1-minute price. It's like we're supporting off of these down close candles. Into a 15-minute gap as of right now, and order block, which is why I'm not just like hopping in long. I mean, I just took a loss, so I probably shouldn't just be slamming buttons the other direction. But let's see if this 15-minute gap holds or not. Otherwise, I don't know, dude. This will be kind of messy. Super high resistance. We just keep taking highs, taking lows. So yeah, could end up being seek and destroy. Broadening formation. This first presentation fair value gap is fatter than my forehead. So 15-minute fair value gap here. I like it if we can displace down and shift structure again. Maybe a little change in the stay below this low or something. Could constitute one more attempt short. Otherwise, if this keeps holding and pushing higher, I don't know, we'll see what happens when we get to this high. Yeah, what do you do? Up 1.6K, Alessandro. Look at you. I only show losing trades on stream apparently this week. I'm like the reverse trading influencer. I only show you the losers. I don't show you the winners. How the fuck? You know? It kind of works out though. The every stream where I lose gets way more views. Like insanely more views. Yeah, I've taken one loss, Salt. I went short. 1 L for me so far. Why is first presented fair value gap important? Because it's the first fair value gap printed in regular trading hours. Right? So once opening bell in the market is actually open, right? So once opening bell hits, I mean, you can look at this too, bro. Look at these lows. I don't know if that answers your question or not, but that's my answer. It's the first presented. It's the first fair value gap once the market is actually opened up. SMT with this high now, guys. With ES, I'm gonna stay with the bearish bias for now. New change in the state of delivery level would be this order block here. So I'm hopping in there. What's this range look like? Not terrible. 92 points to the low. So that'll make up for it, I guess. So 15-minute fair value gap, bearish SMT, 1 minute change in the state, order block, whatever you want to call it. There is a fair value gap possibly being left that we could trade into. That'd be fine. With relative equal lows. And everything's bearish, so. Fair value gap tap there. Bearish today for you, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I'm just reading price. I guess you could say I was leaning more bearish because everything was bearish. 1 hour, 4 hour daily, 15-minute. Everything has been bearish. I mean, it's bearish until it's not, though, right? Like, if this PD array fails, we swept this liquidity here. We shifted structure to the downside with displacement. Like, if all of this fails and we get back above this high, then the whole shit's fucked. We're probably going here. Excuse my language, but. And not a great sign there. I'm just going to let it play out. My ICT is long here. Sweet. What the hell? Medium impact news is hitting right now. All right, stopped out 0-2. Getting swallowed up and shat out. Don't worry, guys. I'll make it back off stream. No, I'm just kidding. No, if I take one more L, I'll be done for the day, and I'm just gonna go do leg day and hate myself. But yeah, dude, we'll see. I mean, it looks like shit. Where's our daily candle? Minus 1,200 and some change for the day so far. 3 strikes and I'll be out. We might not get another setup. I don't know. Here's your 4-hour candle. Dude, look at that thing. Holy shit. You sound pissed? Yeah, I just don't like losing. I was going to take the day off, but then I decided not to. I'm kind of regretting that decision at the moment. But it is what it is. But let's see. I don't know how many votes came in for bullish after this pump here. We were dead even. Now we're a little bit more bullish. We'll end that poll. So yeah, that'd be why I maybe sound pissed, Market Maker Slayer. I sound pissed probably. If I ever sound pissed, it's because I'm pissed at myself because I'm doing something that I'm not happy with myself. Like I'm not happy with my, like, I mean, just listen to my languaging when I started the stream today. I said we had 3 expansion days, G20 meetings today, NVIDIA. Debbie actually reminded me that we have NVIDIA earnings later today, so that's another element of it. But usually after 3 expansion days, I'm like, we should get some chop here. You know, one of these days has to be slow, just because we're not going to keep expanding forever. And then, yeah, I mean, I played 2 setups here in the range and got stopped out, but you could say I had one expectation and executed with a whole other expectation, if that makes sense. That's probably why I sound pissed, but yeah. And losing just sucks, dude. I fucking hate losing. We're here to win, damn it. Here to win, damn it. You know what I'm saying? Damn. No, trading's not patched. Trading's not patched. If I ever say something like that, it's totally joking. It's not patched. Not at all. What the fuck is this song? What is this song? No, no. Stop it. That's better. I do feel you, bro. If you saw me when I lose, you laugh. I appreciate the honesty. What's funny is if I'm just sitting here by myself, not on stream, I'm just like fucking mute, taking losses, not doing shit. This thing's just gonna tank now. Dude, do I try the short again? I think so. Last trade of the morning here for me, boys. Probably, at least. If it's a loss, at least. If it's a loss, I'm done. I'll be 3 strikes and I'm out. Stubbornly sticking with the short bias here for the day. Might be the death of me. I'll be down about 1,800, a little over 1% for this 150K. No shorts today. Make that mistake. I'm making it. I made it twice, maybe 3 times. But I don't think, like, if we go higher, I don't think we're like gonna see a bullish expansion day. I think we just see chop. I think we see like seek and destroy, like chop above this high, come back in the range. Like, I think that's what we'll see. Yes, I know we swept Asia low. This is your third short. Yep, that's correct. What OS? What do you mean? Deal or no deal music. It's the only stuff that's copyright free, so I don't get a strike on YouTube. Otherwise, it like, yeah, it gives a copyright issue or whatever, and then it like demonetizes the whole freaking stream. I know. I got the 5-minute V. I got the 5-minute on my other monitor up here. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I know. Like, whether this trade plays out or not, obviously it's not looking great at the moment. I'm already disappointed in my performance today. Mainly just due to like what I already mentioned when I was talking to Market Maker Slayer in the chat, but obviously the L's are what they are, but they don't feel good either. Oh man. Do you guys think you like winning more or hate losing more? It's an interesting question, isn't it? Like, do you like winning because it feels so good, or do you just hate losing so much? I think I hate losing more than I like winning. But I am 0-3, yeah. It's looking like here's my prediction at least. And as far as my predictions go today, you might want to take them with a grain of salt, because apparently I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But I think we get seek and destroy. I think we kind of like, I don't think we displace through this high. I don't think we see big bullish expansion today, to be honest with you. I think we see more seek and destroy chop range bound price, to be honest. We'll see. I mean, if you're still trading today and you're like perma bullish and you're like, I think we just expand higher, then good luck, I guess. But yeah, three losses, 0-3 down. Damages actually almost 1890, $1,890. So 1900 we'll call it. Man. Yeah, disappointed in myself today. Disappointed. And 3 loses sucks too, so or 3 losses suck too. Nice thing is one good trade will make up most or all of it. Oh, I just gotta wait for a better price, bro. This is gonna cook me, I know it. I suck at seek and destroy days. It's gonna fucking cook me. Oh man, oh man. Yeah. I fucked around and I found out today, boys. I fucked around and I found out. If I do any trading later today, it will not be on this. It will not be on this account. Yeah. Yeah. I hate stupid mistakes. What I do, having winter trade and go other way for 1 minute candle. What? JT, repeat your question. I'm not sure I understand what you're asking here. Go snowmobile, and it's like 40 degrees. Yeah, all the snow melted like the last 2 days. Somebody, I think Debbie said ICT was long. So it looks like he liquidated me today. Hate losing, so I must control my mind. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I know I just have to stop. If I don't stop, I'm gonna go on tilt and it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna be good. I know what this Tyler's capable of if I go on tilt. I know what I'm capable of. It ain't pretty. It's just not. Yeah. No, but I do think we will see chop, to be honest. I think we'll mostly see chop. We'll see if I'm right or not. Maybe I'm wrong and we just freaking relief rally like crazy today. I don't know. But for now, man, yeah, I gotta step away. It is what it is. Gonna go do something else other than go on tilt. Like I said, if I trade later today in PM session, it will be on other accounts, probably my Top Step X, either 50K XFAs or I have a 150K combine on there. We'll see how price looks, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, got cooked today though. Effed around and found out. Sorry, guys. Like the stream if you enjoyed watching though. If you enjoyed watching me get stopped out 3 times. I went down swinging. But yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow. We got red folder news tomorrow and Friday. Just to recap though, for anybody that might be confused as to, I don't know. This is just gonna help. This is gonna just help me justify it, but shit, sorry. You know, we were leaning bearish on every time frame, higher on down, right? In terms of the state of current delivery, we're bearish on the 4-hour. We were bearish actually on the 1-hour until now, right? If we get a 1-hour closure, we're gonna be bullish. But we were, my ES alert just triggered. What was this? Oh, ES just ran out these equal highs, I guess. So we're shifting bullish now on the 1-hour and obviously now 15. But really until this failed, we were bearish. Caught a nice long, yeah. Good work, Mace. You did better than me. He won't mind if I cry. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if candlestick charts and trading is worth crying over, but I'll keep that in mind. Will you post it on Discord? The stream, you mean? Yeah, I'll probably do a little alert like I did. Or like I have been doing, I should say. Yeah. But, all right, guys, I'm going to step away. 0-3 today. 3 strikes and I'm out. Down about $1,900. Yeah, just kind of got to step away. Enough's enough. Before I do too much damage. I was just wrong. So, it is what it is. I'll eat it. Eat it like a champ and come back better for it, guys. I appreciate you guys showing up as always. Hope you guys enjoyed watching at least. And like the stream on your way out to make me feel better about myself. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out, everybody.
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The NASDAQ charts on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracements to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money. He's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. Dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. With the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire.